Soil resources in Maharashtra. Soil is the uppermost layer of the Earth's crust. Soil is a thin layer and a loose mixture and combination of erosional rocks, minerals, decomposed biotic factors, water, air, and many organisms which covers much of the world's land surface. Soil is a material that contains organic and non-organic materials and has silica, salt, iron, and humus. Soil is a complete ecosystem in itself. In a region's biodiversity, the most important factor after climate is soil. Formation of soil takes hundreds of years. Soil cannot be made artificially in a lab. Hence, soil is a non-renewable resource. Soil is an important resource in the state. Soil supports vegetation and all living organisms. Hence, it should not get eroded, deteriorated, or used unsuitably because it is a fundamental resource for life on Earth. So, management of soil is the need for the hour. Many types of soil can be found in a region due to type of the rock, climate, time taken for soil formation, etc. Let us learn about them. 1. Black cotton soil. The black soil is formed by disintegration of volcanic basaltic lava. The color of the soil is black due to the presence of titaniferous magnetite. Black soil is generally rich in iron, lime, potash, aluminium, calcium, and magnesium carbons, but it is deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic matter. The most important characteristic of this soil is its ability to retain moisture even during the dry season, which makes it extremely fertile. Other than cotton, black soil is favorable for the cultivation of crops like sugarcane, jowar, wheat, onion, and fruits. This soil is locally known as Regur, which extends roughly to about 81 lakh square kilometers in Maharashtra. Out of the total area of Maharashtra, about 40% area is covered by black soil. We find black soil in the districts of Amravati, Akola, Washim, Buldhana, Parbhani, Dhule, Usmanabad, Ahmednagar, Jalgaon, and Hingoli of Maharashtra. 2. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is generally formed under very high temperature. The laterite soils are particularly found in dry seasons in areas where rainfall is more than 2,000 centimeters. As a result of weathering, laterite soil becomes extremely hard, and their characteristics includes complete chemical decomposition of the parent rock, complete leaching of silica, a reddish-brown color given by oxides of aluminium and iron, and lack of humus. Due to this, the amount of aluminium and iron increases in the soil. Laterite soils are formed due to the extraction of these salt solubles. The fertility of laterite soil is less due to the deficiency of nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic matter. Laterite soil covers 9 lakh square kilometer area and 4.5% of the cultivated land of Maharashtra. This soil is found in Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Kolhapur, and Satara districts of Maharashtra. In Konkan, the land covered with laterite soil is used for horticulture and rice cultivation. 3. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most important soil type, as it is the most fertile soil. It is rich in potash but deficient in nitrogen and organic matter. Generally, the color of alluvial soil varies from grey to reddish brown. Alluvial soil consists of silt and clay as it develops in estuaries. It is found in river valleys, floodplains, and delta regions. The soil is fertile because of fine texture, easy availability of water, and continuous occurrence of new alluvium. As this soil is very fertile, various crops can be grown in this soil. Sugarcane, cotton, banana, and oilseeds are commonly cultivated in alluvial soils. In Maharashtra, alluvial soils are found in the plain areas of the main rivers and floodplains. Alluvial soil is found near the mouth of various rivers and creeks of the Konkan coastline. In northern Maharashtra, Tapi and Purna river basins have alluvial deposits. 4. Red and yellow soil. The ancient crystalline and metamorphic rocks on weathering have given rise to red soils. The color of the soil is reddish due to iron compound. In Maharashtra, red and yellow soils have developed due to erosion and degradation of the Vindhyan rocks and Kadapa and granite and gneiss rock in the Archean period. Many of the so-called red soils of southern India are not red. They are yellow, brown, and greyish in color. These soils are deficient in lime, carbonate, phosphoric acid, organic matter, and potash. These soils are suitable for rice, bajra, groundnuts, millet, and potato cultivation. In Maharashtra, the red and yellow soils can be found in Nagpur, Bhandara, Gondia, Chandrapur, and Gadchiroli districts. Soil erosion. Soil formation is a slow process. It requires about 100 to 1000 years. It is not possible for man to develop soil in a short period. Soil formation depends on various factors, and these factors are different in different regions. Partial or total denudation of the upper layer of the earth is called soil erosion. Degradation of soil means decrease in the fertility of the soil and the deterioration in the qualitative level of the soil. Upper layer of the earth consists of organic and nutritious matter. This upper layer is important for the growth of plants. If this layer gets washed away, the land becomes infertile. Soil erosion has become one of the major environmental problems and a serious constraint for agricultural production. Soil erosion is not the outcome of a single but multiple factors. The factors that result in soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing, floods, overuse of agricultural practices, and unscrupulous mining activities. In Maharashtra, soil erosion is rampant in many areas like the steep slope and the heavy rainfall area of Western Ghats. The vast mountainous regions spread on both the sides of the Western Ghats, the floodplains of Tapi River, and the areas where there is sludge are largely affected by soil erosion. Soil conservation. Soil conservation means to control soil erosion or to increase and maintain the fertility of soil. Soil conservation is a set of methods and procedures which are adopted for the prevention of soil being eroded from the earth's surface or becoming chemically altered by overuse, Salinization or acidification. Since soil erosion is a natural process, it cannot be totally stopped. We can only reduce the amount of soil erosion. Soil conservation is of utmost importance for a country like India, which mainly has an agricultural economy. A large part of India's population depends on soil for their livelihood, and hence the measures of soil conservation are taken up to prevent soil erosion. Various steps are being taken by the government and voluntary organizations under the State Development Program of Drainage Basin to promote soil conservation. Methods of soil conservation. There are many ways to conserve soil. Some are suited to those areas where farming is done, and some are according to soil needs. Here are the various soil conservation practices. A. Using drip and sprinkle irrigation. B. Use of organic fertilizers. C. Building bunds on hill slopes. D. Changing of crop pattern. E. Crop rotation practices. F. Controlling overgrazing. G. Contour plowing. H. Planting vegetation.